to is Rayo, and they're off. The lead is taken by Vision, and Idas Julian moving up on the inside. On the further outside is Rayo moving up on the inside. Is Shimatic. It's Idas Julian in the lead, followed by Rayo on the outside. And running in third is entry number 2, Shimatic. And nearing the far turn, it's now Rayo in the lead. It's Rayo, followed by Idas Julian in second. And running in third is Impulsive Decision. And Shimatic running by the rail in fourth. And Balota is bringing up the rear. And at the last bend for home, it's Rayo on the outside. And by the rail is Idas Julian. Impulsive Decision now running in third. And by the rail is Shimatic now moving up. And at the top of the stretch, it's Rayo on the outside. And Idas Julian by the rail, Impulsive Decision. And Shimatic moving up on the inside. But it's still Rayo in the lead, followed by Idas Julian and Shimatic and Impulsive Decision. And finally, it's entry number 4, Rayo, the horse of Nardinabal, winning race number 1.